Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed. Today, I want to show you one of the most powerful techniques to improve your English speaking and fluency. It is simple, it is practical, and the best part is you can do it alone. No partner is needed. Many English learners believe they cannot improve speaking without another person. They think, I need a native speaker, or I need a teacher, or I need someone to correct me. But this is not always true. Real fluency is built inside your mind first, and this technique trains exactly that. It is called the 3-2-1 technique. Some people also call it the 5-3-2 technique. The idea is the same. It is based on repetition, but not boring repetition. Smart repetition. Let me explain it slowly. First, choose one simple topic. Not a big topic, not a difficult topic. For example, what you did yesterday, your favorite place, why you are learning English, what you like to do in the morning, just one topic. Or you can listen to a podcast about a topic. Or you can read one page about a topic. Now you talk about the same topic 3 times. If you read one page, you read it, and then you talk about it 3 times. But each time, you will have less time. This is very important. The first time you speak for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is not short. It gives your brain time to think, to search for words, to make mistakes, to search for ideas. And that is okay. You speak freely, slowly, and with pauses. Do not stop yourself. Do not correct every mistake. Just speak. Now comes the magic. After you finish the 3 minutes, you stop and take a breath. Then you speak about the same topic again. But this time, you only have 2 minutes. Same story, same ideas, but less time. So what happens now? Well, your brain starts to cut unnecessary words and pauses. You choose better expressions. You speak more directly and fluently because you have already talked about it once. Now comes the final round. You speak again. Same topic, but now only 1 minute. 1 minute forces your brain to be efficient. Efficient means using less energy for the same meaning. All right. Now, let me tell you something very important. You can also do this as the 5-3-2 technique. If 3 minutes feels too short for you, start with 5 minutes, then 3 minutes, and then 2 minutes. Longer to shorter. Always the same topic. So, why does this work so well? Because your brain learns through repetition and retrieval. Retrieval means pulling information out, not pushing information in. Every time you repeat the same idea, your brain says, "Oh, I know this," and it becomes faster, smoother, and calmer. This technique also reduces speaking anxiety. Anxiety means fear or nervousness. Why? Because you already know what you are going to say. There are no surprises, no pressure. You are not inventing ideas. You are refining them. You are polishing them. Now let me give you a simple rule. Do not write your speech. Do not read. You can write key words if you want. Just a few words. But speaking must be spoken, not read. Here is another important point. Do not change the topic between rounds. The power is in repeating the same meaning with less time. And one more thing, do not judge yourself. If you make mistakes, good. Mistakes mean movement. Silence means nothing is happening. This technique trains automatic and fluent speaking. Automatic means your mouth moves without your brain panicking. If you do this for 10 minutes a day, your fluency will change. Not in one day, but very clearly in a few weeks. You will notice something beautiful. You will start speaking with less effort, okay? So today, I want you to try this. Choose one topic. Set a timer. 3 minutes, then 2 minutes, and then 1 minute or 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes. And speak. No partner, no fear, just you and your voice. Thank you so much for listening to another episode of English Unleashed. I'm Tom, and until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now. Music. Music.